Shalom and welcome to All City Construction Collabo. All City Construction trim work, door trim, and door installation. Notice the reveal. No subpar work here. Let's take a step back. Update on All City trimming. Shoe molding coming soon. Closet framing and installation. From the rooter to the tutor, All City Construction. All day and day. When we come around, we get it done. We don't mess around. Second door. Replace trim mold. Work in progress. As you see, don't settle for less. Mess with the best. All City Construction. .22 and a half lap joint. Doing some electrical work here. Will be completed in just a moment. Stay tuned. Another door installed. Basement access. Bada boom, bada bang. All City all day. Don't fiddle with the rest, mess with the best. All City.